Right guys, really quick one for me today. I just wanted to show you how to wire in one of these AliExpress GPS units so that it comes on and goes off with the ignition. Okay. There's always a delay on that. So, right, first thing you want to do is pop your passenger seat, your pillion seat, using the key slot there. Take that off. Once that's off, these two bolts here, remove those and you'll be able to pull the driver's seat off to access the battery compartment and fuses. Now the way I've done this, because it's a hardwired unit and not powered by a USB, otherwise I probably would have just opted for the easier route and powered it off the socket, but this does mean that it'll be fully weatherproof, as I can just keep the USB port shut if it's raining. Anyway, the way you want to do it is underneath your seat where your battery is, this box here, this is your fuse relay, and all of these 15 fuses, these are all live at all times, but this one here in the middle with the purple one, this fuse with the 10 on it, that is ignition fed. So as you can see, I've spliced the live cable into there. There is a fuse in line as well, and then I've just powered the ground to the negative terminal of the battery, and then actually running the cable through as well. I still need to cable tie it, but what you can do is just on the side of the fairing here, you've got this small triangular piece. It's just slotted on here and then held in with an Allen bolt. It's quite easy to remove, and then that actually allows you to feed the cable up through there and up through the fairing. It's a bit fiddly, but you can push it up through here and then put your other hand up through the wheel arch and you can grab it and feed it up, and I'll just tie it along to these mounts up here, and then then it'll come on with your ignition. So hopefully that helps some of you. Bit of a fiddly job when you don't know what you're doing, but as soon as you get a voltmeter and check out which of those relays is ignition fed, it's actually pretty simple. So 10-minute job. I think this cost me, it's literally like 18 quid on AliExpress delivered, and it does the job perfectly. I mean, it might only last a year, but there's no reason to suggest that it won't. It seems pretty robust, so I'll do a little update on that in a little while. But yeah, that's how you feed it in, that's how you install it. Thanks very much.